Am I the only one whose Android Auto gives up at the worst moment? Let's figure out how to get it back on track. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your phone is running the latest Android version and that you've got the newest Android Auto app installed. Trust me, updates fix more bugs than you'd think. Next, grab your USB cable. Not all cables are equal. Use the original one that came with your phone or a certified high-quality replacement. Cheap cables can be the sneaky culprit here. Now plug your phone directly into the USB port. Skip the wireless for now. If nothing happens, try a different USB slot in your Honda HR-V. Still no luck? Check your phone for a prompt asking for permission to connect. If you see it, tap Allow. Sometimes you'll need to unlock your phone first. If Android Auto still isn't showing up, hop into your car's settings menu. Under Connections or Smartphone Integration, make sure Android Auto is enabled. And here's a pro tip. Sometimes turning your car off, waiting a minute, and starting it up again resets the whole system. Classic tech move, right? If all else fails, restart your phone and try one more time. And if that doesn't work, it might be time to visit your dealer. So next time Android Auto ghosts you, run through these quick steps. You might be surprised how often it's a simple fix.